Hey guys, we're back with another day of plane spotting, and the first one we have is a JetBlue right behind the trees. We just had this morning there's a Southwest, a JetBlue in the blueprint livery. If you don't know what a JetBlue in the blueprint livery looks like, look it up. It's pretty cool. You guys see that over there? Look at that. We got an ambulance. Hope everything's okay. Should have just passed the area. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Oh boy. And we do have a couple minutes. There goes two of them. I didn't see anything in concourse A. I don't know. Yeah, I see something. I think that's a Frontier behind there. But there's something going on. There goes some Deltas. I'm getting dragged by the wind right now because I got an umbrella in my hand. A couple Deltas, two Southwest, and a couple FedEx planes. I'm about to fly up in the air because the wind is taking me. I know it's summer, but the wind and the rain makes me cold. Even though I have an umbrella. But there's no sun. I do not see the sun right now, so that's not good. But JetBlue is pretty good, actually. See some cars and some other stuff. There's actually 3 Deltas. My mistake. See the third right there. Ah, the wind's see it right there. I can't keep this camera in place because the wind is taking me. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to close the umbrella. Okay, guys, look at the JetBlue. It's right there. Guys, I mean, like, I know Concourse C is the biggest concourse, but they need to let go one airline and move it to Concourse A. There's only 3 airlines. Concourse B is the smallest and it is filled. See it right there. I don't know if anything is crazy. Tomorrow Aer Lingus is coming. But I'm getting dragged by this wind, so I won't be able to see it. Ooh boy. Okay, we're gonna have to pause the video. Guys, my umbrella folded the wrong way. The wind took it. I can't see. Hold on, I'm gonna have to flip it up like this. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to pause the video again. So guys, I don't know if you can see it through that wet grass. That glass right there. You can see an outline of a Delta plane. And a couple FedEx planes on your right. And it's there. You can see them. So guys, I can't relate what's going to come next, but there's something behind that tree right there. You can see it right there. You can probably even tell right there. See it? Right in there. See it? Right. See it? It's in the trees. Here it comes. Frontier, ladies and gentlemen. Man, look at those. A321s are awesome. The Neos are better. We had a lot of, this afternoon about 3 heavy rain came in and delayed a lot of flights, so they should be coming around now. We have 2 airplanes that we just caught today. First was that JetBlue, and the second one is this Frontier A321 Neo. You can hear it help touch down. There might be something behind that tree. You can also see the UPS, another one over there, FedEx. Delta. Okay, you see that DHL van right there. Can't tell if there's anything behind those trees. See the detail van. Check the trains, see if there's any trains on the track. Yep. Sitting there. There might be something behind those trees. See the United hangar. It's my goal now. I want to be a pilot for this airline. Because I hear it's awesome. Better than, you know what, Spirit. So yeah. It's good. Okay, we have a second Frontier. Should be right here. The Netherlands. A320. The clouds, since the sun is out, the clouds make it look darker because the sun is reflecting off the clouds and it looks darker. So that's that. We have another airplane coming in. I can't tell what it is because I didn't check the schedule. I might have to zoom. It looks like a Spirit. Yeah, it has a yellow front. So that gauges into me that it is a Spirit. So let's while we wait, we're gonna zoom in on this and watch as it works. And that might. Yesterday I was able to catch a tornado on camera. Actually, not on camera. On a camera that cannot put this on YouTube. I did not have the right camera that can put things on YouTube. But I got it on camera. It did not drop, so it was an EFU tornado. An EFU tornado is a tornado that you cannot find really any damage besides leaves flinging around. That's it. That's not damage. And here it is. And this is perfect. Look at that perfect shot. The yellow Spirit. I mean, this is probably since there's 3 aircraft. There's 2 Frontiers, one back there, 2 of them front, one goes to Concourse A, and so does the Spirit. So we have 3 aircraft in Concourse A at the moment. And very quick, Frontier and Spirit, the 2 cheap brothers. When I mean cheap brothers, that means cheap flights. I suggest Frontier, not Spirit. I mean, if people can't afford Frontier, I suggest Spirit. Otherwise, if Allegiant was still here, I suggest Allegiant. But they left. Now they're at Akron. Hello, Frontier. And hello to the other Frontier over there. Hello to the other Spirit. Let me say hello to you. Shout out to Southwest Airlines for getting a rebuild in Cleveland because they're really busy now. And when I got here, I was missing a Southwest. That came in this, I can't tell. There's something coming in over there. You see it? Zoom in. It looks like a Southwest. You see, there was a couple of 3 triplets and deltas. Then we have a couple twins of Southwest while, but I'm trying to get that plane. I've been digging for that plane for 7 years. It's gonna be 7 years since I've been trying to get it. 7. Can you believe that? I know some of you can. But there it is. Should be coming in. I can't get that view of it because the trees are obscuring the view. Let's see if I can get around the trees. Let's see. Let's zoom in right here. Yeah, that looks like a private. Maybe a hawker or something. Look at those dark clouds. What? That's gotta be a supercell. There goes the other frontier, followed by the Spirit. And he's close, but he is small. This plane is small. Just letting you guys know. You see it right there. That sounds pretty cool. When I was at Ridden back up, I was able to see these. During the Friday show, I think there's only one Allegiant during the show. On Saturday, there was 3 Allegiants that came in during the show, and on Sunday, it was only 2. So Saturday wins, and we might have a takeoff buddy right here. American Cleveland and Dallas. You guys, we have the American that should be taking off. And heading to Dallas. I was correct. This video is sponsored by UPS Worldwide Services. And I'm gonna end the video because this is getting too long. And I'm not used to like 20-minute videos. And this phone can't like do 15. It can only do 15 and under minutes because I didn't find into like something on YouTube. And look at that flock of birds. Okay, we're gonna start a new video.